My baked crunchy hot honey chicken is a family favorite. My brothers love this recipe. You start with some cornflakes, some Parmesan cheese, some paprika. Pulse that all together until you have a fine crumb. Beat some eggs with some hot sauce. Then you want to toss the chicken through those eggs, and then you dredge the chicken through the crumbs. Drizzle the chicken with olive oil. This is key to get it nice and crisp. Throw it in the oven. Then you just warm the honey on the stove with the spices. I do a lot of cayenne, you guys. Drizzle that warm honey over the chicken. A little sea salt on top is really delicious. And serve this up with some sweet potatoes on the side. It is so good. Also, a little creamy ranch is delicious.
At this rate, I am pretty sure you try out at least one of my recipes every week. Or am I lying? Should I just keep my mouth shut? Hi guys, I want you to try out this fish and plantain sauce recipe. All you need are your fried plantains, your mackerel fish already boiled and seasoned properly. Then you need some pepper mixture and other spices you regularly use. It is very easy. You don't even need to stress yourself. It is different also. Make sure that when you're cooking it, you cook enough of it so that it can last you for more than a day. I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe. Please tell me, how often do you try out my recipe? Should I close shop? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my videos always.